Welcome back to my channel, dolls, and today we are here to do another wig slay. Now, just as a disclaimer, y'all, do not look at these ratchet fingernails of mine, y'all. They done popped off. Y'all just pretend like y'all don't see those. So if you have not already subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe, girl. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. So I'm gonna jump straight into it. I have dyed this unit that I was sent by Elva Wigs. Now this hair did come in a natural black type of color. This is a 20-inch wig, and it is one of those full lace wigs, so it does appear to have that 360 feel, and it does come with 4 combs. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw this on just to kind of see the measurements of the wig, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off and then reapply my wig. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. So after sizing the wig, I'm just going to grab my Got To Be Glued gel, go ahead and apply that. I'm going to use my blow dryer to kind of make the gel tacky, and then I am going to secure my wig. Telling me I'm your everything. Meanwhile, she's at home all alone, and she's watching, wanting everything you feel with me, but she don't know all the things that we've been through. And then I like to spray my Got To Be Glued spray over that gel just to have a little bit of extra security, and then I go ahead and secure that wig down. They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you. Alright, so we are halfway done. Now it is time to make our wig look seamless. So I'm just going to go ahead and start on these baby hairs, start on this hairline. So as you can see, my lace kind of has a red type of tint, so I'm going to fix that with my foundation. So I'm just going to go in and blend that lace into my skin. My touch, you want it, you need it, you can't get enough. You tell me come over, then I just hang up. Hey, 'cause I'm on my way. So you guys can see a huge difference. So now I'm just going to lay my baby hairs. I'm just using that same Got To Be Glued gel and a toothbrush to just kind of create some baby hairs to help camouflage that lace. When you have a really good lace, you don't really have to make a lot of baby hairs. But this lace was a little bit more difficult to hide, so I did need those baby hairs. So all I did was kind of pluck some excess hair. I don't like my baby hairs to be too thick, so I did go in and thin them out quite a bit and cut those and just secure those with that gel. When everything's going wrong, you feel all alone. Let me be the one that you call on, no matter what it is. Will you tell me I'll be here till the end? If you let me, these other girls don't give a damn about you. It's not you they see, but the things you do. And they can tell you anything you wanna hear, sending pictures with their clothes off. But I hope you don't forget that they don't love you like I do. Be sure to check out some of my makeup tutorials, and if you are interested in the full review of this hair, be sure to check that out. So if you guys are interested in this wig, I will leave the company's information down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.